true or false. The RCM Facilitator is responsible for checking the technical validity of the RCM Working Group's answers to the RCM questions. False. An RCM Facilitator is a specialist with a deep understanding of reliability-centered maintenance principles, but should not be an equipment expert, as this could bias the analysis results. The RCM Facilitator must be impartial. During the analysis, the facilitator's role is to lead the team, manage time effectively to keep the analysis on track, ensure the scope of analysis is maintained, and make sure the RCM questions are properly understood by the RCM Working Group members. According to the American Heritage Dictionary, facilitation means the act of making a process easier. In the context of RCM, a facilitator leads a team of equipment experts, allowing everyone to formulate technically feasible, safe, and cost-effective proactive maintenance tasks and other actions to manage the failure modes that have been proactively identified during the analysis. The responsibilities of the RCM Facilitator include planning the RCM analysis, facilitating the RCM analysis, producing the validation package and facilitating the validation meeting, achieving consensus between the RCM Working Group and the RCM validation team, and producing the final report. Depending upon the organization, the RCM Facilitator might also prepare a presentation that summarizes the analysis results and briefs those results as required. As you can see, the facilitator's responsibilities are extensive and varied. Before we wrap up, if you're interested in becoming an RCM facilitator or you're a manager who wants to train RCM facilitators, stay tuned. And next week, I'll announce some details about an RCM facilitator course that I'll be starting very soon. In tomorrow's video, we'll outline the educational background and the work experience required for an RCM facilitator, as well as the skills and abilities necessary for effective facilitation. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.